Hello YouTube family and welcome to Fine Art Lifestyle, a channel where aesthetics should never be compromised. Louis says hello as well. I wanted to formally introduce myself because one of you fine viewers has mentioned that I've never actually given my name on this channel, which of course skipped my mind completely. And thank you so much, Tess, for mentioning this. My name is Alexandra. I'm your hostess of this channel. Today I want to bring you a spring and summer refresh video. And today we will be creating a no-sew DIY easy tutorial. This will elevate your window treatments. I'll also show you my kitchen, a little bit of an organization video. I'll sprinkle some pretty flowers throughout the space and also hang some beautiful still life art prints that I acquired recently. Please subscribe and like this video because I'm creating a lot more content for you. Some of the exciting things coming up is a pantry makeover. So I'll be reorganizing the pantry and the kitchen. We are currently redoing our bedroom. We have upgraded to a king-size bed, so the whole bedroom needs to be changed. Please stay tuned for that because I think you're going to love the content. Okay, here we go. To begin, I purchased a pair of IKEA Dytag linen curtain panels in ivory and 3 yards of stunning floral embroidered decorative trim tape in a warm neutral color on Etsy. Can you say that 3 times real fast? It's a tongue twister. I prepared the surface by laying down a folded bed sheet in several layers to protect the table. Then I laid down the pre-cut decorative trim with the back side up facing me. I worked in small sections, cutting 2 strips of heat and bond adhesive tape along the edges of the decorative trim, including a small piece across the top of the trim that will fold over the curtain. Setting the iron to high heat and no steam, I pressed down the decorative trim and the curtains together so that they sandwich the adhesive tape and bond the fabrics. This is the result. I used IKEA's rigged curtain hooks to create simple pleated folds on each drapery panel, which works so nicely for a casual linen window treatment. And the whole project cost me only $200 Canadian. I have a designer tip for you. When you're hanging curtains, take the ends on either side of each panel and rotate the hook so it goes into the back of the ring loop. Essentially, you're reversing the point of entry to round out the curtain edges for a more polished aesthetic. I found a gorgeous collection of still life artworks in digital format on Etsy. I spent a few days curating the pieces I loved so that they work in tandem with the decorative pieces in my space, echoing off of each other and clearly defining the theme. I had them printed at my local print shop to match the size of my newly acquired gold frames, and I am absolutely thrilled with the result. Artworks, flowers, and decorative functional accessories add so much warmth and coziness to the space. Not only do they create visual beauty and a sense of harmony, they tell the story of the people residing in the walls of that home. To date, My favorite idea to organize the bottom shelf of the console was to use wooden wine crates, which I painstakingly selected for their visual aesthetic, to house our veggies, fruits, and wines. It now becomes a functional and visually appealing display in our kitchen dining area. Color-coordinated details like hints of blue ceramics in the art prints and the warm neutral tones in the textiles all unify the overall aesthetic of the space. Who says that beautiful dinnerware cannot be practical for the everyday? My Villeroy & Bosch Cellini set is microwave and dishwasher safe, making it the perfect set to elevate daily meals, especially when coupled with charger plates or placemats. These faux artificial parrot tulips are so hyper-realistic, they brighten up and enliven my space. Did you know that numerous studies have shown that flowers have a positive impact on people's emotional well-being, making them feel much happier? I think I can make a compelling argument to say that beautiful, personalized, and cozy spaces all have this effect on our well-being. And that is why, my lovelies, I encourage you to keep on decorating and beautifying your spaces. Because aesthetics should never be compromised. Did I repeat myself like several times? And what else? All right. You're gonna have to use the other stuff. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. See ya. I have to say that. I don't know why. You can just take that out, but like, okay, I know you're gonna elevate your meals. Yes. To elevate your dining experience. Okay, hold on. The other ones were better. Just cut it, babe.